am checking out the new Disney Vacation Club here in Anaheim with one of my friends here, Diana.
Hello, I'm back.
Yeah, so she's gonna give us a tour of this amazing hotel room. So Diana, give us a tour.
Okay, yeah, as Jimmy said, we're at the DVC Hotel, so the Disney Vacation Club. We're at a suite
Bougie.
Yeah, one little mini suites.
Nice.
So studio suite, I guess. So right now we pass a little hallway. There's a mirror right here. It's a nice arched mirror, so you can check your Disney fit before you go to the parks.
Nice, nice.
And right here, where you're at, there's a long counter. We're like a little main area.
Cool. With it looks like
drawers. Yeah.
Let's open this one.
Nice. And then it's soft close too.
Soft close.
Love that.
And then we have. You told me, I think right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
This embroideredness.
Yeah, this is a backdrop or backsplash, I guess you can call it. And there's different things of the movie Tiana.
Nice, nice.
So now there's like hearts, there's lily pad, Evangeline, can't miss it, and then also Tiana's crown.
That's so cool. Great
Yeah.
theming. And
Also,
then you
this
have
is-
the TV.
Samsung TV. We love a Samsung.
Nice and thin too.
With our name on it.
Ooh.
'Cause we're men.
Nice. And then little desk area. So
Yeah, little desk area with a little print that came with the room.
nice. And then a sitting area.
Yeah, with a little sitting area.
Oh, very comfortable. Sorry, I've invited you in this space.
We invited you over so you can try it out.
Heck yeah.
And also on top of the couch area, there's prints. So it's like Tiana with her family at the bayou, and also when the first date on the bean came to New Orleans.
Ooh. Again, theming is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then we have a view over here of, I think, the pool.
Yes.
Sir?
Over here, come over here.
Nice.
We have the view of the pool. Can't see, it's kind of blocked off, but there's also Steamboat Willie down there. You guys know you're dizzy.
Nice.
Awesome. So now also over here we have a queen size bed.
Queen size
There's a
bed.
plush, I think background, yeah, it's plush kind of. And also backsplash is Tiana. She's almost there with her mama.
And then what's nice is I saw that there's a lot of good outlets and USB ports, which
Yes.
is so cool.
Very useful, just in case you forgot like the plug or something.
Nice, nice. And then
Right here.
a little couch area here, right?
Yes, long couch.
Nice. And then there's a closet on this side. It looks like with
Mhm.
nice robes. These
Yeah.
robes are
We got
comfortable.
Disney robes.
Yeah. And then I think over here is the safe, right?
Yes.
If I can open it. There we go.
Yeah. Other.
Let's see. So
This
the
is-
safe, and then ironing board.
Ironing board and also
Some
Yeah.
storage space. Yeah.
yeah, a basket there
Yeah.
for
Pretty.
laundry maybe.
Ooh.
Also Disney Magic. There, don't forget the details. In the back of the closet, you can see Tiana's uniform.
Oh.
It's so cute.
You gotta wear that. You gotta wear that.
It's painted on. I can't
Aw,
wear it. Yeah.
Go get one from the parks.
I know.
All right, and then it looks like there's this kitchenette area with
Yes, a little kitchenette with a fridge.
fridge.
This time I have a fridge.
Hey.
I remember last time I did it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
With some booze, Disney hooked you up.
Okay.
Nah, we brought them.
We brought them.
Yeah.
We're gonna make
Let's
it's gonna be
see.
fun.
Yeah, sink area, microwave, right?
Yeah. Microwave.
Some storage.
Our utensil area, so bowls, plates, mugs, glasses.
Awesome. And
This.
then you want to show us the bathroom?
Yeah, let's go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Also, sliding door. That's our door. I can't wait for you to see this. Look at that mirror. It's so cute. It has lily pads on it.
Nice.
And bright.
Amazing. And then got a sink. Look at this bowl here.
Yeah.
Again, feels like pho. Feels like a pho bowl. Nah. Anyhow, all right.
It's a
and
almost dinner time, so I'm hungry too.
Yeah. And then I see you like have a shower.
We have a walk-in shower with an overhead sprinkle, and also comes with a bench.
Ooh, so you can be lazy.
Yeah.
Especially after walking.
Oh my god, after the parks, yeah. And let me show you the throne room, quote unquote.
The bath.
The toilet.
Toilet.
And I have to print a Mama Odie's.
Hey.
That's so cute.
Yes. You do it. You do your business in private, which is so cool. And then let's
One more
come out
surprise.
here. One more surprise. You wanna over here?
Do it.
All right, ready?
One, two,
two, three. Wow. And it's
And it turns into a bed.
look at that.
Tiana in the background.
That is so cool. Disney's theming is absolutely amazing. So, would you ever stay here? Comment letting me know.